And here's the $1 million question. You ready? So imagine you had to start all over again and you knew no one, but you had all your current knowledge, skills, and wisdom. What's the first thing you do or the first place you go to build a network marketing business from scratch?
I would build a brand online. I would decide what platform that I felt most comfortable with, and I would zero in on that platform. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be YouTube, it could be a blog, it could be Instagram, it could be Facebook, it could be X. And I would build a brand over there and I would add massive value around whatever the topic is that my brand is focused on and build a new community of people.
So I'm putting you on the spot. What brand would you focus right now if you were to do it right now?
So if I was doing it right now with all the experience I have, it would be business building.
Got
If
it.
I was starting from scratch and I had no business experience and no reason to be trusted as a business person, it would be the exact reason why I chose to start network marketing. Whatever that why was, would be what I would build the brand on.